Hi guys, hope you're all well today. Just going to do a quick review on this Amazon basic stand that I have had for a while and I found it whilst unpacking the new house, but it's still currently available on Amazon. Just to let you know some of the features on it, they've got the turn knob at the side so you can change the direction of the head and then tighten it up. Untighten this bit, it is a bit fiddly. But once you've got that tightened, you can then move the head to the side to have like portrait or landscape mode. One thing I've noticed with this one, it's not very good because it's not got a stop at like the 90-degree angle. There's a screw at the top where you're able to connect your phone or your camera. One thing I like about it, it's really compact. This is what it looks like when it's fully flat. The phone holder at the top of this was something that I added extra. You don't get that with the kit. So what I'm going to be doing is doing some reviews like this, any purchases that I buy while I'm starting this channel and progressing. I'm going to do a review or an unboxing and then go on to telling you later down the line what I thought of it, whether I'd buy it again, whether it's a waste of money, a good purchase. Anything that I do buy, I will be posting on my channel. Find these little knobs very fiddly. The legs can be adjusted really easily with the little clasps, so you can be able to make it bigger and smaller. Hopefully now having this tripod I'll be able to do things two-handed. Obviously I'm doing this one-handed, this could be better for people who have trouble with their hands, but the knobs on it are very fiddly. As always, thank you for watching. Bye!